to change my face, to do what you do.